Ito si City of San Juan, mapili yung Lungsod. So maraming salamat. And syempre gusto ko tawagin ang aking kasama sa councilor, si Paul Artadi, Councilor Artadi, and Councilor Don Aliado. Palagpakan naman natin. Powerhouse Councilors. Again, maraming salamat sa pag-invite. Susuportahan itong inyong business, itong Nitro Drift. So again, maraming salamat and God bless po sa ating lahat. Thank you.
Sa ating Nitro Drift grand opening kay Boss Lito C and Company, sa lahat ng mga nandito, yung mga media partners po natin, congratulations po sa ating Nitro Drift. And huwag natin kalimutan, always support natin dito sa San Juan. Maraming salamat po.
Limang trans na ito in less than 5 years. Could you imagine? Napakabilis yung development ng Nitro Drift. Just look forward for the 6th. This work out Wilson. And for the team of Nitro Drift and here our visitors, I'll say congratulations to Nitro Drift and happy grand opening today. Thank you.
A year and a half of whirlwind setting up go-kart tracks, but it's been really hectic. But before I'd like to thank the Mayor for coming in and cutting the ribbon. I'd like also to thank all the councilors and James that came in, who also represented the office of the Mayor. I'd like to thank the media guys that are here from the automotive, also from BNI. Are you here? Wow, full support. Thank you so much. But of course, I'd like to thank my partners, Wilson Lay, who's over there by the middle portion. Lito C, who's Lito. Unfortunately, he wasn't I'd like you to introduce Mr. C. He's the artista na mga photographers. He is the main man. He also...
I think this is a good activity for them that they will get to enjoy. Sino ba yung mga mommies dito na may mga boy mom or girl mom na gustong For the other guests, pwede rin po tayo beside the railings. So mas live yung action natin. Mas makikita natin ang kanyang amazing drifting skills and of course yung performance ni Sir George Apacible na napakagaling na racer. Nakita niyo naman ang pinakilala ko siya kanina. Grabe ang haba ng titles at talagang
I wouldn't have gotten my championship if I didn't start from go-kart. So what I'm wearing right now is an official CIK FIA racing suit. These are designed specifically for go-karts. These are not racing suits for the car because the car comes in Nomex. Nomex is a fire retardant.
Speaking of when it's needed. There you go, grabe yun. Ito yung spin parts dito. Ito yun.
amazing mga bisita natin for this afternoon. At parang bigla silang na-excite lalo. And the Black Rice. Diba? Ako ang nanalo ng champion for the opening of
He's already going to the registration area, go to the briefing area, and we're gonna start the races right now. Come on, guys. MJ, how many players do we have there?
Yay, nanalo.
Here we go. And St. Drift. Dito. It's meant for kids 6 and up. It's safe for kids. Here we go.
We just want to confirm, partner, kailangan natin dito.
Sige. Sasabihin na namin, sir, hindi ka kaya niya.
Congratulations.
Sa akin naman na yun. Congratulations, Sir Dev. Nice. Napakasaya naman.
Pahimas.
Sir,
Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, wasn't it Nitro Drift was open already? Yes, it was open last December. Soft opening lang naman. So, but this time, we're making it official. No more trial runs. It's a real deal. And if you've been here before, congratulations. No? You got an early start on mastering the drift. So it's about drifting, it's not racing. Nitro Drift is just, it's not about speed, it's about fun, competition, and providing to your friends that you are the fastest in the track. It's for thrill seekers, weekend warriors, and even the guy who spent more time spinning in circles. Okay? We respect that dedication to style. No? Okay. So the best part, it's all electric, zero emissions, and 100% adrenaline. So yes, you can enjoy the thrill without the guilt. Okay? So we're saving the environment. Of course, today it wouldn't be possible with our incredible team, our partners. Special mention to PCM Events Manager.
So, tatry na namin ngayon yung go-karts dito sa Nitro Drift. Ayan. Pero sila parang 6 yata o 5. Pero malaki yung place malaki yung place. I'm gonna show it in a bit. Hindi kayong mga locker dito na pwede gamitin. So, ayan. Ayan, pang bata. Mag-awak din ha. Is it cake or is it ano? It's cake. Ito yung reception area. Ayan yung reception area. Ito yung mga nila. So ito yung rates nila. 250. So Talaliga. Alaman. This is 500. Meron yung driving clinic. Ayan. AAP certified. Kuya! Vlogger ka, kuya. Nandito ka na naman.
Vlogger ako ng Oppo Find X8, kaso kukunin na.
Kukunin na nila.
Hindi ko naman sasoli eh.
Sa akin din eh.
Huwag natin soli, huwag tayo mapakita.
Huwag natin soli yan.
Mga vlogger forever.
Kuya, vlogger ka? Vlogger ka rin?
Pa-shut up po, pa-shut up.
Ayan, so pwede rin kayo maglaro, mga kids nyo, and play.